Hi, welcome to the garden. Today is Trellis Tuesday. I'm mixing up a little more BT. Saw something last night that was kind of disturbing. Hopefully this isn't a scourge on the tomatoes. Let's go check it out. For right this second, I'm going to leave most of these suckers on, and I'll show you why. See this hole right here? That's a sure sign of a vine borer. So it's affected this little group of tomatoes. And I'm just going to spray these lightly with the BT. So as we trellis these, I'm going to go ahead and spray these for worms. But we've been going through these pretty good, so there's not going to be a lot to do today. But with that extra rain, let's take some of these. We're going to take the leaves that are touching or showing any kind of discoloration. We got a little bit of discoloration there. Any leaf that's getting brown on it, go ahead and get rid of that. You don't want that going up your plant. Give your plant as much chance as you can give them. And remember, we're growing fruit, not leaves. All right. This is why you want to check your plants pretty closely. See right here? See right here? That's all been eaten. Eaten by what, you say? That'd be this guy. You see that right there? Tomato hornworm. That's kind of a cool little worm. Now it turns into one of those hummingbird moths, but it can sure strip leaves off of a tomato pretty quick. I'm going to go toss him off into the woods. It's another good idea to go ahead and spray your tomatoes with the BT. It works on all kind of worms. I've had quite a few thunderstorms off and on, and I haven't been out here and doing this as much as I probably should have. But as we check this out, we'll see if we have any more surprises. Now this one hasn't eaten a whole bunch, but by tomorrow it had stripped quite a few of these. Let me go toss him out in the woods. Well, so far all we found is 2 tomato hornworms and 2 squash vine borers. I think we're doing pretty good. Now we got to do is let them ripen up. Oh, missed one here. You can go through them all and you still miss one. Okay, we still got a little bit more to do. Now, I don't know if you remember when we put this sucker in. It was just a little bitty thing. Now look at that. It's already got its own sucker as big as it was. But we're growing fruit, not leaves. And it's already got flowers on it. Now if you wanted to, and you rooted some of these, you still have time to get some fruit off of them. But see, even that leaf is touching the ground already. We want that off of there. And there's one of our baby praying mantis. I think this thing is doubling in size every day. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And I don't mean to be so dramatic, but check this out. No, not that. That is awesome. Our first tomato, starting to turn a blush. Can you believe it? Our first tomato of the year. It's not even July, and that's our first tomato of the year. It's starting to turn a blush. We're gonna go ahead and let it ripen in the house. I don't want to miss this one. Didn't mean to startle you with that. That's a heck of a wrap for Tomato Trellis Tuesday. Let's go ahead and take a look at the baby carrots, and I think I got a squash or two that need to come off. That thunderstorm was welcome. There you go. Can you see them? Look at all the life underneath there. The thing is, in this heat, if they get much bigger than this, the sun will beat down on them and just wreck them. So the ones that are just barely germinating underneath here, I think we're going to be in pretty good shape. We'll see what we get. Now check that out. So that one's not too bad either. There you go. That's the one we were looking at the other day. I should have brought a bowl out, but who knew? It was just going to be Tomato Trellis Tuesday. I guess it's Pick and Squash Tuesday and our first Tomato Tuesday. I am very thankful for the abundance that I'm blessed with. Even sharing with a couple bugs. That's why we plant heavy. You can do this too. And if you want to learn about the living soil, click that link and I'll meet you back in the garden. You want to learn about the deep mulch? Click that link and I'll meet you right back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.